thank you to our community members who have been following along with our weekly video updates. It has been exactly 102 days since the World Health Organization officially declared COVID-19 a global pandemic. Every level of government, business, and individual has been impacted by this virus. In unprecedented circumstances, I am proud to say your municipality has worked with the provincial and federal governments, as well as other local governments, to help protect our residents. Having positive, collaborative partnerships benefits our residents in good times and in challenging times. We all rely on public health professionals to inform us and provide direction to ensure the health and safety of our community members. Our municipal staff has shared all public health information in a timely manner so our residents are well informed and prepared. We've kept our municipal staff safe to ensure our essential services have continued without interruption during the pandemic. This has been very important. The municipality cannot operate if our staff become ill. Your council has continued to make informed decisions during these challenging times, approving our financial plan and a local improvement district so we wouldn't lose significant grant dollars. At the same time, all West St. Paul residents have changed their behavior by isolating at home and practicing social distancing. We can all be very proud of our collective effort to help minimize the spread of COVID-19. As the provincial government enters into Phase 3 of its Restoring Safe Services plan as of June 21st, it will be just as important for us to work together. We want to support our local businesses, as many have been struggling during the past few months. We want to enjoy our parks and our green spaces and reconnect with our family and friends. However, let's remember that loosening the restrictions is not a return to normal, but rather a new normal. It is difficult for anyone to predict what the next 100 days will bring, but health professionals remind us that we can't underestimate the seriousness of this pandemic. There is currently no vaccine. The virus remains in our province, with 14 active cases identified as of yesterday, June 22nd. We are not immune to a second wave of the virus as restrictions are gradually lifted. The messaging from Manitoba's Chief Public Health Officer, Dr. Brent Roussin, is that we need to learn to live with this virus. I encourage our community members to continue to follow the provincial health advice, stay informed of the latest information, practice good hygiene, maintain physical distancing of 2 meters, stay home and away from others if you are not feeling well, and reduce non-essential travel. Self-isolation is no longer required if you are entering Manitoba from BC, Alberta, Saskatchewan, the Yukon, Northwest Territories, Nunavut, and Ontario. Self-isolation is still required if you are arriving from any other jurisdictions. The provincial government is also encouraging the use of non-medical masks to protect others in situations where physical distancing cannot consistently be maintained, such as shopping and public transit. I've received some questions from West St. Paul residents regarding garage sales. The arm of West St. Paul has no restrictions in place preventing garage sales. The provincial government has advised that garage sales are a higher risk setting for COVID-19. So if you are having a garage sale, I encourage you to ensure attendees can adhere to the 2 meters apart and wash hands frequently. I want to thank our West St. Paul residents once again for following the health and safety rules established by the province. We've all spent weeks practicing good hygiene, social distancing, and staying home. It hasn't been easy. Let's not jeopardize all that hard work now that some of the provincial restrictions have been scaled back. We all have an important role to play in preventing the spread of COVID-19. Let's stay vigilant in our efforts. I encourage you to follow the provincial health orders to protect our loved ones, friends, and neighbors. Thank you.